friends, let's get straight to it. I'm real close and personal. I've got my hair pinned back, and that's how you guys know I'm not here to play. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my summer skin, you know, and it's a very, very light coverage type of look, and I'm actually really excited and hyped for it. So if you guys are interested in that, let's keep on going and let's get straight to it. And I want to show you guys what I've been using. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my summer skin using the new Nudescreen, and this is by Nudestix, guys. It's the Daily Mineral Veil SPF 30. So this bad boy is available in 3 different colors: cool, warm, and hot. Okay, so we're going to start off with the deepest shade, and this is the shade Hot. I hope you guys can see that. So you can see it has such a lovely tint to it, and it's really light coverage, but it just looks so good. I'm not good at swatches, but that is warm right next to hot, so you guys can see. And then the last shade is Cool. So this is what Cool looks like and applies like, and that is Cool. Cool is actually tint free. So all of these have no chemical sunscreens in it. They're mineral sunscreens, and on top of that, they're 100% reef safe, and that's for every single one of them. So I'm going to use Warm and show you guys how that looks on my skin, and also show you guys how I do my summer glow. Let's get straight into that. Now, because this is literally a skincare makeup, I'm just going to use my hands to apply it. I feel like it's just the easiest way. I'm just going to go straight in there. It literally looks like my own skin, but just a bit of a blur to it, and it just looks a bit more perfect, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go straight into the Nude Fix Cream Concealer. Now this is in the shade number 10. Absolutely love this. I'm just gonna take some underneath my eye. This is gonna give me a bit more coverage that I desire. Just gonna apply some here as well. A bit there, why not? I'm gonna blend that out now. What I'm now going to do is just take a bit of a brightening concealer and just apply that underneath my eyes as well, just to give me a bit of a brightening effect. And just go in. Do you see the difference? That just makes such a nice difference to the under eyes. And what I do with this is I literally just drag whatever product's left on this all over my face. All over my face I'm going to drag it. I don't apply any new ones, because again, this is a minimal makeup look. Blend that out a little bit. So I've not used any new product or picked up anything new. I'm literally just blending whatever's on my face already. Alright guys, so I know I look a bit washed out because all I got is concealer and my skin tint. Shout out to the Nudescreen. But literally guys, first of all, I really do like how my base is actually looking, even though it looks a bit washed out. But I'm going to show you guys how I bring colour back into my skin and some warmth. And that is using my own kit that's out right now with Nudestix, guys. It's a limited edition kit and it's called Baby Got Peach. Now this kit right here is literally the trio that you need. You never knew you needed, but girl, you need it, because it literally makes, it just does such a big difference to your skin. And it includes 3 amazing colors. It's got Picante. Guys, Picante is my secret. This is my secret bomb, my secret weapon. I literally did a TikTok on it. It went viral. Just that's how bomb this is. Because of this, I don't use cream contour no more. Orange blush looks fantastic on every single skin shade that I've seen use it. It literally just makes such a big difference. And the glow, the dimension, the color it brings to your cheeks, baby girl, you need to jump right on it. Poppy Girl, I love this for days where I just want to add a bit of a pop of, you know, just that cute blushy girly look. That's what Poppy Girl does. And on top of that, I do like to actually add Poppy Girl on top of Picante as well. Sometimes I like to mix and match. And Brown Sugar Baby is the highlighter of all highlighters. Guys, you guys know for years I've actually been the highlight babe. Come on now, let's not lie here. You guys know I've always been known for my glows, and Brown Sugar Baby allows me to achieve that. It's such a beautiful golden glow. Like, it just looks chef's kisses, baby. So I'm going to show you guys how it applies onto my skin and how it literally transforms my face from looking like this to the final result. So let's get straight into that. So I like to apply it like this. I apply it quite high onto my cheekbones because I want my cheekbones to pop. I kind of want to lift my face, okay? I've been eating, I haven't been gymming for a while, so I'm gonna need that extra protection, and that's gonna help me achieve that by the way I apply it. Push that product into my skin. It just looks, guys, I know can you already see that? Look at how my cheeks look already. Look at the warmth. I'm just gonna do one side so you guys can literally compare. Guys, I know you can see that. Can you? Can you see literally the difference that did? It's so beautiful. Do you now understand why I said I don't need no cream contour whatsoever? It literally makes such the biggest difference to your skin, and I'm just in love. But the look of it just looks so cute. So I'm gonna go right into Poppy Girl as well. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That's what I'm gonna do today. I feel like there's not a lot here. I think that looks cute. So let's go. No guys, this is, oh, makeup just makes me so happy. Sometimes it really is my happy place, if I'm being so honest, because it's literally like art. It's actually art. Nobody can tell me any different. I'm an artist, and I feel like it's forgotten sometimes how makeup can just make people happy. It just looks, oh, it can really just brighten your mood, brighten your day. I am honestly happy with that. I'm just now going to take some Brown Sugar Baby and just apply this onto the places where I want to highlight. Apply some on my nose bridge. Okay guys, so this is how we're looking. We're literally looking so great for spring, for summer. Absolutely love this. I'm just going to apply a bit of powder onto my under eyes, and that's literally the only place I'm going to apply some. And just a bit around my nose. That's literally it. And we're done. We're literally done. So I'm now gonna go straight into my lip combo. Guys, I didn't just release one kit with Nudestix. I released two, just in case you guys aren't up to date yet. And this is the second kit right here. It's the It's Popping kit. This right here, girls, this is the only lip combo I've been wearing for the past, I'll say more, it's more than 9 months now. That's not a joke as well, by the way, guys. I'm literally serious. It's been more than 9 months. So yeah, it's literally, if you've been wondering what's on my lips, it's just these two. Nothing else, just these two. These two, and then a nude lipstick in the middle. That's it. The lip liner is called G Baby. It's named after my grandma, and she was also my little chocolate spell. So this is a beautiful, beautiful brown lip liner shade, and this is named after a beach in Ghana, because I am of Ghanaian descent, if you guys didn't know. And it's called Labadi. It literally just reminds me of the ocean. The shade is a clear gloss with a bit of shimmer to it, okay, with a bit of personality. We don't want no boring gloss here. We want gloss that gives us some 3D glow, some dimension, and that's what you get with Labadi. So G Baby and Labadi paired together is the dream team. Let me show you guys how that applies onto my lips. Just going to apply it like that. Now this is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. So that's the lip liner applied. I'm just going to apply a nude in the center and blend that out. And I'm now going to go in with Labadi. I don't think I even need to talk too much. It speaks for itself. It looks so beautiful. The glow of the lips, it literally makes your lips pop even more, and it's got a lip plumping effect to it, so it does actually make your lips pop and juice up a little bit more, and it looks so great. So if you want to purchase that as well, that's going to be in the description bar down below. Every nude stick products that I use today is going to be in the description bar down below. I'm going to apply mascara off camera, come back and show you guys literally the final look, because this is literally the final look just without mascara. But you know, mascara always does a little va-va-voom to everything, so let's do that now. Hey friends, so I'm back and this is a completed look. So I just applied some mascara, and I feel like that really did brighten up my eyes a little bit more, and that's literally it. Every single product that I use in today's video, especially these bad boys right here, which is the Nudescreen Daily Mineral Veil, is available right now at nudestix.com, and I'm going to put on the description bar where you can purchase and the direct links. Make sure you also use my code KAISERCOBY so you guys can purchase these bad boys too, because I am absolutely in love. The fact that there is literally no foundation on my base, and I feel like it just looks so good. Make sure you guys also purchase my kits alongside with this as well. You got Baby Got Peach, which literally brought so much warmth back into my face and glow, and make sure you purchase It's Poppin', which is my lip kit, which includes G Baby and Labadi. Now that is the lip gloss, and the lip liner is G Baby. Make sure you guys purchase and support your girl, and remember, my kits are limited edition, but everything else that I use from Nudestix are on their website permanently. So make sure you guys cop and purchase, and again use the code KAISERCOBY to get you some money off, okay? Because who doesn't love a great deal? I'm in love with this, and I feel like it just came out so great. So let me know if you guys recreate it, and if you do, share it. I will repost it on my Instagram, and I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. Bye friends.